If you're over 50, or if you have loved ones in that age group, this video is a must-watch. As we age, our bodies need a little extra care and attention, and one of the easiest ways to improve health and vitality is through what we eat. Today, we're talking about 8 incredible spices that are not only safe but also beneficial for adults over 50. These spices aren't just packed with flavor, they offer a wealth of health benefits, from boosting brain function to supporting heart health and improving digestion. Best of all, they're easy to add to your daily routine. So, whether you're looking to spice up your meals or enhance your well-being, these 8 spices are your new best friends. Make sure to stick around until the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family who could use a little spice in their lives. Let's dive in. 1. Turmeric. First on our list is turmeric, often called the golden spice for a reason. This bright yellow spice has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine, and it's packed with a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is the superstar behind turmeric's health benefits. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. For those over 50, turmeric can be particularly beneficial in managing joint pain from arthritis, reducing inflammation, and even supporting brain health by protecting against age-related cognitive decline. But turmeric isn't just about health, it's versatile in the kitchen too. You can add it to soups, teas, smoothies, or even sprinkle it over roasted vegetables for a warm, earthy flavor. Pairing turmeric with black pepper is key because piperine, a compound in black pepper, enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. While turmeric is generally safe in food amounts, taking large doses through supplements can cause side effects, such as stomach upset or nausea. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin or have gallbladder issues, you should use turmeric with caution and consult your doctor first. So, spice up your meals with turmeric and let its golden goodness work wonders for your health. 2. Ginger. Next on the list is ginger, a true powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. Known for its warm, zesty flavor, ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its active compounds, called gingerols, are what give it its incredible health-boosting properties. For older adults, ginger is particularly beneficial. It's fantastic for improving digestion, reducing nausea, and alleviating motion sickness, perfect for those long road trips or cruises. Ginger is also a natural anti-inflammatory, making it a great choice for managing arthritis and joint pain. Studies suggest it can even help lower blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing age-related health issues like type 2 diabetes. In the kitchen, ginger is incredibly versatile. You can use it fresh, powdered, or in tea. Add it to soups, stir-fries, or smoothies for a delicious, health-boosting twist. Ginger is safe in moderation, but consuming more than 4 grams a day can lead to stomach upset, heartburn, or diarrhea. If you're on blood-thinning medications like aspirin or warfarin, consult your doctor before increasing your ginger intake, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, a spice that's as delicious as it is healthy. Known for its sweet, warm flavor, cinnamon has been used in both cooking and medicine for thousands of years. But what makes it a must-have for those over 50? Let me tell you. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by aging. It's also famous for its ability to support healthy blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity, a game-changer for preventing or managing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, cinnamon is great for heart health, as it can help lower LDL, bad, cholesterol and triglycerides while improving HDL, good, cholesterol. This spice is incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle it on your oatmeal, blend it into smoothies, stir it into coffee, or even add it to savory dishes like chili for a subtle kick. Not all cinnamon is created equal. Stick to Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, because it contains much lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can harm your liver in large doses. Aim for no more than a teaspoon a day if using cassia cinnamon. 4. Garlic. Next up is garlic, a kitchen staple that doubles as a health superfood. Known for its pungent aroma and bold flavor, garlic has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties. But why is it so important for those over 50? Let's dive in. Garlic is rich in a compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is known for its heart protective properties. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are critical for maintaining cardiovascular health as we age. Garlic can also support your immune system, making it a great addition during cold and flu season. Some studies even suggest that garlic may reduce the risk of certain cancers and improve bone health. Incorporating garlic into your meals is easy. Use it fresh in sauces, soups, and marinades, or roast it for a milder, sweeter flavor. For maximum health benefits, let chopped garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking to preserve its allicin content. If you're on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, or preparing for surgery, avoid excessive garlic intake, as it can increase the risk of bleeding. Stick to 1 or 2 cloves a day unless advised otherwise by your doctor. 5. Black pepper. Let's talk about black pepper, often called the king of spices. While it's a common seasoning in nearly every kitchen, black pepper is much more than a flavor booster. It's a tiny but mighty addition to your diet, especially for those over 50. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which gives it its signature spicy kick. Piperine is a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, helping to fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body, both crucial for healthy aging. But its real claim to fame is its ability to enhance nutrient absorption. For example, pairing black pepper with turmeric can increase the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, by up to 2,000%. That's a powerful duo for fighting inflammation and protecting your brain health. Black pepper is easy to include in your meals. Sprinkle it over salads, soups, eggs, or roasted vegetables for a subtle spicy kick. Use freshly ground pepper whenever possible to maximize its health benefits. While black pepper is generally safe, excessive amounts can irritate the stomach or cause discomfort, especially if you have acid reflux. Stick to moderate use, just enough to enhance flavor and health. 6. Cayenne pepper. Let's turn up the heat with cayenne pepper, a fiery spice with some seriously cool health benefits. Packed with capsaicin, the compound responsible for its spiciness, cayenne pepper offers a range of benefits that make it a fantastic addition to your diet after 50. Capsaicin is known to boost metabolism by increasing your body's ability to burn calories, which can be helpful for managing weight as metabolism slows with age. It also improves circulation and supports heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. If you deal with chronic pain, capsaicin may offer relief by desensitizing pain receptors in your body, making it useful for conditions like arthritis. Adding cayenne to your meals is easy. Sprinkle it on soups, stews, roasted vegetables, or even mix a small pinch into hot chocolate for a spicy twist. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Start with small amounts if you're new to spicy foods, as cayenne can cause digestive discomfort or a burning sensation if overused. If you have acid reflux or a sensitive stomach, use it sparingly and avoid high doses. 7. Cardamom. Next on the list is cardamom, a fragrant and slightly sweet spice often referred to as the queen of spices. Its unique flavor isn't the only reason to love it, it's loaded with health benefits that are especially valuable for those over 50. Cardamom is known for its digestive properties. It helps soothe an upset stomach, reduces bloating, and can even alleviate symptoms of indigestion or acid reflux. For those looking to manage blood pressure, cardamom's natural diuretic effect may help lower blood pressure levels, making it heart-friendly. Its antioxidants also combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are key factors in healthy aging. This versatile spice works wonderfully in both sweet and savory dishes. Add it to your tea or coffee for a warming flavor, mix it into baked goods, or sprinkle it into curries and rice dishes for a fragrant twist. Ground cardamom or whole pods both work beautifully in the kitchen. If you have gallstones, use cardamom sparingly, as it may trigger symptoms. 8. Cloves. Finally, we have cloves, a small spice that packs a punch when it comes to health benefits, especially for older adults. These tiny, aromatic buds are full of powerful antioxidants, making them a great addition to your health routine after 50. Cloves are known for their anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which can help reduce joint pain and alleviate symptoms of arthritis. They also contain eugenol, a compound with natural antibacterial and antiviral effects, helping to support the immune system. On top of that, cloves have been linked to improved digestive health, reducing bloating, gas, and nausea. When it comes to your heart health, cloves may help lower cholesterol and improve circulation, which is crucial for seniors. They also contain compounds that support liver function, making them excellent for detoxifying the body. In the kitchen, cloves are commonly used in both sweet and savory dishes. You can add them to your tea, sprinkle them over baked goods, or incorporate them into spice blends like garam masala. While cloves are safe in food amounts, using excessive amounts of clove oil or raw cloves can cause irritation. Always use them in moderation and consult your doctor if you have any concerns about interactions with medications. These spices can do wonders for your health while adding flavor to your meals. Remember, moderation is key, and always consult with your healthcare provider if you have any medical conditions or are on medication. See you in the next video.